You can get new review gadget videos in this gadget channel. The video that will be shown now in electronics gadget. The latest gadget include 24K UPS smartphone and Fiido D11, necessary gadget for your everyday life. Do subscribe to gadget channel. Number 1, 24K UPI smartphone. Now 24K UPI smartphone has solution for you. Introducing the Smartphone Collect. Smartphone Collect is designed to the height for other, so you won't be just hide to under your shirt and place it your chest. The control comes with the adjustable electronics band, so it easy and controllable to worry. So how does it work? With the controls you will get full for chest, which you will on your phone. After the just control by Bluetooth the controller and phone, and you are ready. Number 2, Fiido D11 electronic bicycle. In the last month, I have tested many electronic bikes, include the Fiido D11 and the M1, which were both great. So when I was folding latest eBike being launched, when back is June 2020, I could not help myself to get my handle on. It's not only the design that I am attracted to, there are a few space really worry. Normally the 40 to 50 kilometers ranks in the full electronics mode. Other than that, a 250 weight motors, the 80 kilograms weight, great 360V, 11.6 Ah battery, and the possibility to fold the bike. Fiido D11 review. The best 20-inch foldable e-bike I have tested was a removable LAC battery, built-in lightweight frame, cool models frame design, and up to 100 kilometers range with its 250 weight assist motor. And it depends. Look at the 2021 folding D11 folding electronics bike. The D11 has a 36V 11.6 Ah battery, 215 rank heavy motors, 3 levels of pedals assist, and only wins